And welcome back to part 3 of Intro to Web Design with Bootstrap. You should be aware that Bootstrap only uses HTML5, which is the most current version of HTML. To ensure you're using HTML5, just use this boilerplate code in your HTML file. And just like we talked about previously, Bootstrap 3 allows us to have responsive images. This means that our image tag can scale depending on what device you're viewing the web page from. Down below, you can see the same web page on different devices. I did mention briefly in the last part that the class name container has significance to Bootstrap. And here we can examine the Bootstrap CSS file and see that they have created something for us with padding and margin that creates a completely centered div. And it's honestly pretty cool to have access to something like this. You can look at these things and model your own CSS after it. You can see exactly how something is done. You're getting the recipe by Gordon Ramsay from Gordon Ramsay, you know? That's where I'm going to wrap up part 3A. Come back for part 3B.